Getting started is simple. Here's how to use your dehumidifier. Let the unit stand upright for 24 hours before use. Place the dehumidifier on a flat surface and leave enough space around the air inlet and outlet. Close all doors, windows, and other outside openings to the room. For best performance, use the unit indoors at 41 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and over 40% relative humidity. Make sure the drain plug is installed securely to prevent leakage. Ensure the float inside the tank is present. Ensure the float be able to move freely up and down. Plug the unit into a grounded outlet. After plugging in, the power button lights up and the unit enters standby mode. Press the power button to start. Press the mode button to switch between 3 modes: turbo, sleep or dehumidify. These are the differences between the 3 modes. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. Press the humidity button to set your preferred humidity level between 30 and 80%. To cancel humidity setting, press the button repeatedly until the display shows continuous mode. Press the speed button to choose high or low fan speed based on your room and comfort needs. In standby mode, press the button to set a delay start from 1 to 24 hours. Press repeatedly until the display shows 00 to cancel delay start. While running, press the button to set automatic shut-off from 1 to 24 hours. Press repeatedly until the display shows 00 to cancel automatic shut-off. Press the light lock button briefly to enable or disable the humidity indicator ambient light. The light color indicates the current room humidity or tank status. Press and hold the light lock button for 3 seconds to enable or disable the child lock. When activated, all buttons are disabled except the light lock button. When the tank is full, the unit stops automatically. Remove the tank, empty it, and place it back securely. For continuous drainage, connect the included hose and make sure water can flow downward freely. Remove and rinse the washable filter regularly to maintain efficient performance.